Hey y'all, so the economy is changing. We are looking at the possibility of a recession. We're already seeing down markets, a economy that is contracting. So what can you do with your business? One of the things that really excels during a down economy is courses and classes. It is also a business model with a really high margin, meaning unlike thinking about supply chain issues, getting things, paying other people, it's something that you can do from home, help people change their lives. I did it in 2020, changed my entire business for the rest of my life for the better, and was able to make over six figures with a course in addition to what I was already doing with my coaching and dance business. I want to help you do the same thing and invest in yourself. Join me for the six-figure course starting July the 13th, a week from this Wednesday, and let's get you started. Let's change your business.